Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 23rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the dollar yen, I still think this is at least going to go up and make a double top. It does kind of look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the daily, and if it is a wave 5, it'll probably grab these highs, then possibly turn down and give us a big break of structure. But we have to be careful with assuming that it's going to turn down and break structure because it could just be a subdivision of an uptrend that's not even close to being over. So for me personally, I'm just going to follow what the market says, and the market is definitely up right now, and I'm definitely looking for longs on soda time frames. Yesterday, I was saying that this move right here looks very corrective, and I definitely was looking for a long. Turned out to be a really nice long. On Tuesday, same thing, nice little pullback right here. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now, but if it does go down and break on the 1 hour, the first thing I would do is on my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, and I would be looking at any move I see to the downside is likely just another pullback within an uptrend, at least until the higher time frames, at least the 4 hour to daily time frame tell me otherwise. I personally am still doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.